to revamp and reshape the education landscape by introducing an array of innovative programs and statutes aligning with the National Education Policy (NEP 2020) and University Grants Commission (UGC) guidelines. The University of Kashmir recently convened its 71st Standing Committee of Academic Council meet. Vice-Chancellor Professor Nilofer Khan underlined the significance of introducing the much-anticipated Design Your Degree undergraduate and Masters in Philosophy postgraduate programs. She said the university is embarking on new endeavors and gearing up for the launch of these novel programs, besides introducing various other initiatives for a more empowered teaching-learning experience. Dean Academic Affairs Professor Farooq Ahmed Masoodi stressed on the university's mentoring role and said that clarity of things precedes knowledge sharing with other stakeholders. Dean College Development Council Professor Khurshid Ahmed Bad discussed the basic template of the Design Your Degree program while highlighting its special features. The Registrar Dr. Nisar Ahmed Mead said that the university is introducing the courses in line with the market demands, as the institution cannot afford to remain isolated when the global education system is already changing with the advent of new technologies like artificial intelligence. Other issues that were discussed during the meeting included action taken by the Vice-Chancellor in authorizing the adoption of statutes governing different programs in line with NEP 2020, constitution of boards of studies, besides various other modifications and prescriptions. The pursuit for innovation and adaptability displays the university's commitment towards a future-ready education system.